How to change Taobao to English. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to change Taobao to English. Taobao is a giant online marketplace in China, kind of like China's Amazon. While it's mostly in Chinese, don't worry, in this quick video we'll show you how to browse and shop on Taobao in English. To avoid making a mistake, make sure to watch the video precisely until the end. Do not skip. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So, to change Taobao to English. First, open your web browser and navigate to Taobao's website, which is taobao.com. Once you're there, you'll notice that everything is in Chinese. But don't worry, we're going to change that. You might see a pop-up asking if you want to translate the page to English. If you do, click Translate and you're good to go. If you don't see the pop-up, no problem. Click on this icon here to access your account settings. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one first. Once you're in your account settings, look for the language option. It's usually represented by a globe icon or the word language. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. If the English language does not appear automatically, click on these three dots. Click on Choose another language. Now, simply select English from the list of available languages. And click Done. Taobao will automatically reload. You now have Taobao in English. You can enjoy Know to browse Taobao in English. The translation may not be perfect, but you will be able to understand. If you're serious about shopping on Taobao, there are browser extensions that can help you translate product descriptions and reviews. Do some research to find one that works best for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.